Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the action feature on any of the iPhone 14 lineups. So if you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So the action mode is a stabilization feature that basically improves your video shots taken in a motion. So whether you're walking or running, your video footage will be stabilized using the action feature. You will not need a tripod or a gimbal. So let me show you how to use this in your video shots. So the good part is that it is enabled by default and you don't need to go into settings to enable this. So to use the action mode, you need to first tap on the camera app here. Now you need to tap on the video mode. Here at the top left, you'll see an icon here, a man running. Now depending on your iPhone, it might be disabled or it might be enabled. For me, it's disabled. So you see a line going across it. Go ahead and tap on it to enable it. And as you can see, action mode banner has appeared. That means action mode is enabled. Now whether you're running, walking or jumping, go ahead and press the record button and your video will be stabilized by itself. Just remember, you need to have adequate lighting in order for action mode to work, as it is constantly stabilizing your video by cropping the frame from all sides to make sure your footage is steady. And that is how to use the action feature on any of the iPhone 14 lineup. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.